SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell No Battery Required Waterproof Self-Powered Doorbell. The SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell is a great option for those who want a doorbell that doesn't require batteries. It is also waterproof, making it ideal for use in any weather conditions. The doorbell is powered by a small solar panel, which means that you never have to worry about it running out of power. The doorbell is also very easy to install. Simply mount the Chime unit inside your home and attach the doorbell button to your door. The doorbell will connect to your Wi-Fi network and you will be able to control it from your smartphone. Here are some of the pros and cons of the SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell. Pros. * No batteries required. * Waterproof. * Easy to install. * Connects to your Wi-Fi network. * Controlled from your smartphone. Cons. * Chime can be a bit loud. * Not as loud as some wired doorbells. Overall, the SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell is a great option for those who want a reliable, low-maintenance doorbell. It is easy to install and use, and it is perfect for those who want a doorbell that doesn't require batteries. Here are some additional details about the SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell. * The doorbell has a range of up to 300 feet. * The Chime unit has a volume control. * The doorbell is available in black and white.